Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I go by Anna. This channel is about love, positivity, beauty, and real life. And if you're down with that, stick around and subscribe. So you guys, you have seen by the title of this video what I am about to get into, and we're about to get a little crazy, okay? Before we jump in, just want to let you know a little bit of a backstory. I may or may not insert a clip of this, but I mentioned, I don't know, like 2 years ago almost now, that I wanted to go blonde. I wanted to ask you guys, what would you think about me going blonde? I have never been blonde in my life. I've had blonde highlights, but I haven't gone like blonde. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys think that I should try it out. It's on my bucket list. Please let me know if you think that I should go blonde. That's really it. And at the time, I didn't have a lot of followers that were into all things beauty and things of that nature. And now I do. I have a following that supports me in anything that I want to do, and it's amazing. So I feel like the tides changed a little bit, and I feel like you guys maybe you love my hair the way that it is. And I also want to state that I have virgin hair, meaning I have not dyed my hair in 10 years, probably about 8 years, but we're just going to say 10 because it sounds more dramatic. So I have virgin hair, and today I'm going to be bleaching it. And I went to Sally Beauty Supply yesterday. I was actually going to film this video yesterday, but I had to work, so we're going to get right into this. I have directions, okay? And this is like really all I have to go off of. I am going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing step by step. I have a mirror over here. We are in my bathroom. We haven't been in here in a while, but we're in my bathroom. I'm going to need to look in the mirror to do this. I don't want to rely on the viewfinder, so I'm going to try to capture as much as I can on video for you guys, and we're just going to jump right into it. So let's get started. So I have this bucket right here, and it is L'Oreal Technique High Performance Quick Blue Powder Bleach, okay? I am supposed to take 1 scoop of this, and I am supposed to mix 2 fluid ounces of the developer. So I have this stuff, the developer, and I will link everything in the description box down below per usual, but this is the developer that I have. It is Salon Care Professional 20 volume, okay? And then I have my little purple. Oh, purple's my favorite color. So I have my little purple mixing bowl with the little brush that I'm going to have to be using to put the bleach onto my hair. Now, I was told, and you can probably tell, oh my goodness, that I am supposed to do this with greasy hair, and I am a very oily bitch. You guys probably know that from my makeup videos. This is primarily a makeup channel. So I have very oily skin, so that also transfers to my hair. So going 1 day without washing my hair is greasy as sin. So we're greased up, we're a grease ball, we're ready to rock, and that is something that I was told by somebody at Sally's. So there's that. I have my little blue gloves. I'm gonna put these on. We're gonna scoop this stuff, put it in the bowl, mix it up, and get started. I'm putting on a t-shirt that's older that I don't really care about at all. And yeah, so let's mix this stuff up, you guys. Let's just do it. I am procrastinating. You guys have no idea how many jump cuts I've done already. Oh. I also, before we begin, want to show you guys the T18 color charm. This is toner. So this is going to be put on after I bleach my hair. If it gets brassy and things of that nature, I would mix 5.7 ounces of the developer with 2 boxes of the T18. So it looks like this. This stuff was all very inexpensive. I spent about 40 bucks. So I'm really procrastinating really bad. We're gonna get into this, you guys. Let's stop the bullshit. Let's stop the bullshit. All right, I've had it. Let's begin this process. Now, 1 scoop of this is 1 ounce. So take 1 scoop of the bleach, mix 2 fluid ounces of the developer. 1 scoop. Oh my goodness, I'm freaking out at this stage. There's no turning back now. I've already spent my $40. All right, so let's put 2 of these guys. Let's see what this stuff looks like. Ooh, it looks like, use your imagination. So 1 and 2. Okay, let's mix this up. See what this looks like. Where's my freaking... Here, we're gonna use tweezers because we're broke ass bitch. Okay. I have a comb somewhere that will separate my hair for me, but I don't know where it is. I'm gonna do my roots last. That's what I was told to do. So let me take a hair tie. I'm not a hairdresser and I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing and I'm about to cry. Okay, here we go. Doing my roots last, you guys. It smells so strong, oh my goodness. Ooh. It's like literal cleaning bleach that I freaking smell. So I am going to do this and saturate my hair in this. This part's kind of boring, so we're just gonna kind of skip through. I'll show you guys, you know, here and there. I'll check in. One thing I've noticed is the gloves are extremely helpful because I can like pull this through the hair with the gloves and like really saturate the hair. So I kind of just take like a big chunk and then just slap it on my glove and the piece of hair that I have and just get it all up in there. Okay, so I have saturated my whole entire half of my head. So we're going to move on to the other half of my head. To get the back of my head, I'm going to take my Gerard Cosmetics mirror and take a shit ton of this stuff and just go in. Okay, right now I have gone against all fucking rules that Sally Beauty Supply has told me. I mixed up about 4 of these because my hair just was not pulling blonde. So now we are going to wait, I think they said 45 minutes at the most. So I'm going to wait and then I'm going to wash this off. So, I really went in, you guys. Like, I was just like, and I just took this guy and dipped it in and just did this over and over and over again because I was like, well, why would I do my roots last? Then I started doing my roots, then I started freaking out. So, you can see there's definitely blonde. Like, my head is blonde. I just want the whole thing to match. So... we're waiting. We're now waiting. It's definitely been 45 minutes already. what's the worst that could happen, right? You know, probably my hair will fall off. I don't know. But I will be back with you guys, okay? Okay, you guys, so I took my gloves off and I am ready to wash this out. I did my best, so we'll see what this looks like, showing you the back of my head. And if I have to bleach it again, I have to bleach it again, that's fine. But we're gonna wash this off because I have had it on for over 45 minutes and Sally said the longest you should have it in is 50 minutes. So I'm gonna wash it and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, so I showered and I actually blow dried my hair a little bit because obviously this is not the desired look and we're bleaching again because I'm not giving up on this look. So, you know, it did come through definitely where it showed it was going to come through, which was the top. And I guess my hair was a little bit darker than I thought, you know, so we're bleaching again. I'm just going to go through the whole routine. I'm going to use this bowl again. I'm going to use a scoop of bleach and 2 scoops of this guy right here, and I am going to probably do it 2, maybe 3 times, whatever, until my hair falls off or until this look looks cute. I'll be right back with you guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, it has been 45 minutes and I am going to wash this and pray to the gods that this turns out okay because I do not have any more developer. So pray for me and I will see you guys very soon. Alright, beautiful family, we are back and this is the finished look. This is the best that I could do myself. I'm trying to do everything on my own because I'm not made of money, so when it comes to dyeing hair and cutting hair and things like that, I want to learn how to do these things on my own so that, you know, I can go to Sally's and spend $40 instead of going to a hairdresser and spending $140. Do you know what I mean? So I look a little washed out right now. I want to show you guys what it looks like with a full face of makeup, and also, you know, there are some areas that I'm not like crazy happy with, so I'm going to go back to Sally's and just ask them like, hey, what do I do to fix this? I want more of like an ashy blonde. You know, I just want to, you know, fix some things up a little bit, and my hair is a little bit wet and it does feel a little bit unhealthy because I obviously bleached it. So I just put a crap ton of Moroccan oil on it. This stuff is extremely expensive. That's why I only have this little bottle, but I just put a lot of that on there, and I think I'm going to put a little bit more because I've been doing this since 3 o'clock and it is 7:38, you guys. You guys are going to follow me. You guys are totally going to freak out. Are you guys ready? Look at the new Anna. Girl. I'm in fluorescent lighting right now, so you can see a little bit where I put the toner in and it turned a little bit purplish. But you guys, considering I did this myself, this looks beautiful. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? I don't know. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I don't want to be a chatty Cathy, and I don't want this video to be crazy long. But you guys, it is so cute, and you're gonna see me, you know, all the time blonde like this because I love this and I am not changing it anytime soon. You guys, I'm obsessed, and Rocco, he didn't think he was gonna like it. No, he didn't think he was. And guess what he said this morning? He said, "You look beautiful, baby." And I was like, thank you, because I worked so hard. You guys, It took me from 3 o'clock until around 7:30. It was almost 8 o'clock actually to like get the finished look. And I know that it's not like completely perfect, but I worked hard. It makes my eyes pop. It's just beautiful. And it feels silky and it feels smooth, and I was not huge on conditioner prior to this, but I'm definitely going to use conditioner on my hair and like special shampoo for blondes. And I have a big box of bleach now at my home so I can do my roots or re-bleach or whatever, you know. So that's it for this video, you guys. You're gonna be so surprised and so shocked. I haven't done any Snapchats, I haven't posted on IG, I haven't done anything until you guys see this video. And then I'll put some pictures up and stuff like that. But this is the first day being blonde and I love it, you guys. And it was like $40 to do this. So Chatty Cathy is gonna zip the lip and I'm gonna let you guys go, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you. I love you guys and I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.